Hey loves, it's Brianna. Today I'm sharing with you the first Clean With Me video of 2019 to give you motivation to clean your home, organize, declutter, take down your holiday decor, all the things. Because if your house is anything like mine, Christmas barfed toys all over the house. So get ready to clean my basement toy room and the first floor of my house with me. And if you're new here, make sure you click that red subscribe button and join all the fun coming up in 2019. And be sure to follow along on my socials too. I'm at Bits of Brie. And I really like making my cleaning videos like a checklist so that you can truly follow my routine and clean with me. And since we're going to be taking down decor at the end of this video, I'd love to know in the comments, have you taken down your decor yet? And do you decorate for Valentine's Day? Or if not, what is the next holiday that you decorate for? Let me know in the comments while you watch. And I also wanted to let you all know I'm going to be changing my posting schedule starting next week. I will now be posting Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. And if there's ever a change in when I'm posting, I will definitely let you know on my socials. I am trying to take a little bit of a break just because Vlogmas and the holidays definitely gave me a run for my money. And this leads me to my next question. I'd love to know if you're setting any goals or making any resolutions for the new year, because this year, instead of making a resolution, I'm really focusing every day on the word energy. So I'm thinking about if I'm doing things to stay positive and motivated and having enough energy in my life for my family and for our home. So sleep is definitely a big thing that I'm trying to prioritize, as well as doing the things like cleaning and decluttering and decorating that all help me feel energized and positive about our house and give me peace of mind. So let me know what you're doing in the comments for a resolution or for the new year. And my girlfriend Tiffany from Beauty and the Beastons actually gave me that idea, and we're also collaborating on this video. So since I'm focused on organizing and decluttering the toys in the playroom and in the basement and on the first floor and just cleaning it up, she's going to be cleaning and organizing her upstairs, so her master bedroom, bathroom, closet, and her kids' room. So when you watch her video after this one, because you're going to click that link in the description box and go watch hers, you can get motivation to clean your entire house after watching both of our videos. So please make sure to tell Tiffany that I sent you and that you subscribe to her channel too if you're not already. And we're going to be going on a trip with our family soon, and I do not want you to miss anything. So please make sure you're following her on Instagram too. She's a mama of 2 boys, Carter and Tanner, and her sweet baby girl, Ella. And she's one of my best friends and just motivates me every day to be a better version of myself. So I know you will get inspired by her channel too. So check out her video, get some good cleaning motivation after this one. And today's video has something so exciting, a new offer from Grove Collaborative for 2019. So thank you, Grove, for sponsoring this Clean With Me video. If you haven't heard of Grove before, it's where I get nearly all of my cleaning supplies because they are delivered right to my door, and every month I can make sure I have what I need in my order to clean my house, or if I don't need anything, I can skip that month's delivery. You just sign up with your email, and any new customer will get a free Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, dish soap, multi-surface spray, the new designed Grove Caddy, some Grove Walnut scrubber sponges, a 60-day VIP trial with any $20 order. And if you use my link, I really do appreciate it because I make a small commission, so thank you in advance. And also, if you're a new customer, You spend $39 or more, you will also receive the free Grove sink side tray. So there's so many amazing cleaning goodies to get your home smelling so clean for 2019. And if you've already tried Grove, make sure you still use the link in my description box, because then you'll get a free set of the Walnut Scrubber sponges in your next order too. And again, thank you in advance for your support when you use my links. So on the day I filmed this, we had some friends come over for lunch, so I was decluttering and did a light dusting and cleaning before they came over. But while the kids were napping later in the afternoon is when I started to take down some of my Christmas decor. And thank you to sweet Kirsten, who's Love Mama Shark on YouTube, who sent us these adorable elves for Landon and Presley. They are so cute. I love them. And Coley is just enjoying her last few hours on the Christmas blankets. Moving along to the kitchen, doing a declutter and clean of the table and counters in here before our friends came over. And I love the Mrs. Meyer's Honeysuckle Multi-Surface Spray right now. And the Method Anti-Bac in Wildflower is my new favorite. It smells amazing, also from Grove. And even Adam commented today that it's probably his favorite cleaning product scent. So I would definitely recommend trying it if you're interested. And I'm going to try to take down all of the bedrooms and trees over the next few days, just so that everything can be down by this weekend. And then hopefully I can put up my Valentine's Day decor soon. But I was wondering, do you want to see a house tour of how everything looks before I put out anything new? Just so you can see what a neutral palette looks like all around the home, because I always add in lots of pops of color depending on the season, but I didn't know if it would help you if you're trying to decorate your house with neutral colors so that you can see what the base looks like before any of the decor is out. So let me know if you would like to see a neutral house tour. And I will also show you later in the video how I organize all of the kids' toys. And then I use the Method Degrease Spray for my microwave and stovetop, and the Method Mint Glass and Surface Spray is what I use to clean my stainless steel appliances. And again, since we had guests coming, I'm spraying the Mrs. Meyer air freshener in honeysuckle over the couch and pillows, This makes it smell so sweet and fresh and clean, and I'm also taking out the garbage so that there is no trash odor. I ended up having a little bit of extra time, so I decided to clean the dining room table and the kids' room and cleaned the windows with the Method Mint glass cleaner, just so everything on the first floor smelled extra clean. All right, later in the afternoon, after our friends left, I had run the Roomba downstairs in the basement so that the carpet was all cleaned and all the confetti had been picked up from New Year's. So I just used the anti-bac, again in Wildflower, to wipe down the tables down there where the kids had been playing so that all of the surfaces were clean. But my personal preference, I like keeping all of the kids' playroom furniture and storage pretty neutral, just like the walls and furniture around the rest of the home, because toys are so bright and gaudy, so I feel like there's already a ton of color anyways. You can see how everything is organized down here. I love cube storage, and getting bins from the Dollar Tree to store the train tracks has been really helpful. And then I also have some neutral colored baskets and wood bins on the floor that are from Target, and that way the kids can really easily help clean up. And I love the fabric cubes for the white cube storage. I had chalk labels on them, but some had gotten peeled off, so I will have to replace those for next time. But in the kids' room upstairs, I organized the white buffet to be easy to access for the kids with some of their new toys they've gotten for Christmas, because I love how the doors can keep it a little bit more concealed. So I ended up getting some dollar store bins and some chalk labels to organize this. So on the one side, there's Presley's new tea party stuff. there's art supplies and Landon's Legos, and on the other side there's games, puzzles, and books. So this way it can keep organized and there's a place for everything. And there is still though so much honestly in our basement I want to purge, so that will have to happen soon, but just didn't have the time for it today. Because after this, next on my to-do list is to tackle the dishes that were left in the sink. And I'm loving, again, the Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle dish soap scent. It smells amazing. And since the kiddos were napping, I started taking down the Christmas decorations. So I had Adam bring up all of my green and red bins, which is my color-coded storage system so that it's easy to spot which bins are for which season or which holidays, and I put labels on the top for which room everything belongs in. I also did a separate video on this, on how I store all of my decor, in case you're interested in that. But one of my biggest things is I would just recommend wrapping anything that's glittery or anything that could get nicked in a plastic bag. That way it's wrapped up for safekeeping while stored throughout the year. But by the time I got down as much decor as I could tackle for today, I only had the energy to turn on the Roomba, so I let it do its thing to clean our first floor. And thank you so much for sending me beautiful Christmas, Hanukkah, and holiday cards. It's amazing to see your gorgeous families and read your kind words. And I just love having this on display in our home. So thank you for being a part of our family. But I hope that this first Clean With Me video of 2019 gives you tons of cleaning motivation so that you can clean, declutter, organize, and take down your decor. Click the thumbs up if it did so that I know. Don't forget to subscribe and check out Tiffany's channel, Beauty and the Beastons. And I will see you in my next video at my new time, Sunday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, starting next week. Bye, loves. Happy New Year.